How to become a mixed reality product manager for products like Apple Vision Pro. Imagine shaping the future of products that merge the digital and physical worlds seamlessly together. Today, we are delving into the exciting realm of mixed reality product management. So, without any further delay, let's get started. All right, so let's start by laying down the foundation. While a tech-focused degree like engineering or computer science is beneficial, what truly sets you apart is the thirst for knowledge. Supplement your formal education with online courses and workshops. Dive deep into platforms like YouTube, Coursera, edX. Try to soak up everything about mixed reality in terms of knowledge. Now, you might think you need to be a coding genius to make it in this field, but that's not entirely true. The key is to understand the mixed reality development pipeline, which encompasses the entire process of creating an MR experience. Having a basic grasp of 3D modeling, UI UX design, development stages, and testing will equip you to communicate effectively with your team. Even if you don't write the code yourself, this knowledge will bridge the gap between your vision and the technical execution, allowing you to collaborate effectively and bring your MR product to life. Now, here's the key ingredient for success: communication and teamwork. You need to be a champion at explaining complicated ideas in a simplified way. Whether you are talking to an engineer who builds the product or marketers who sell it, everyone should understand your vision for the MR product. Remember, you can't do it alone. Product managers work best in teams with all sorts of different people. So, hone those people's skill to build a strong relationship with everyone you work with, like different departments in your company. This will help you to bring your ideas to life smoothly. Now, let's discuss portfolios. If you have previous experience, show it off. Display your success and your role in successful product launches. And if you're new, don't worry. Begin to build your portfolio through volunteering, freelance work. Make up MR product ideas and develop detailed plans to show your abilities. And remember, networking is your golden ticket. Attend industry events, both online or offline. Rub shoulders with the MR professionals. Absorb their wisdom, and who knows, you might find a mentor along the way. Never underestimate the power of online communities. Engage, share your knowledge, and establish yourself as a thought leader. Try to stay ahead of the curve by going through industry-related publications, books, and news. An interesting book which we could recommend you to read is The Metaverse by Matthew Ball. It will give you some insights about the emerging technology and how this will impact our lives. Metaverse is surely going to be the big thing, and you would definitely want to be at the forefront of this. There are amazing resources available online, like Microsoft's Guide to Mixed Reality. This will teach you the basics of how MR technology works, like how it maps real-world spaces and track hand movements. That will help you to talk to your engineering team more easily. Imagine discussing spatial mapping with your developers by understanding how MR creates a digital map of the real world. You can communicate clearly and help them build your product faster. Here's another tip. Big companies like Apple create guides for their MR tools too. Reading these guides will help you to understand the features of different MR products. But don't get hung up with every detail. Focus on the big ideas and how they can change the way people experience the world in the future. Imagine using hand tracking to mix music in a completely new way. Understanding these concepts will allow you to dream up amazing products and guide your team to create them. There are online projects where people share their MR creations for free. Checking these projects out will let you see how MR technology is used in real life and the challenges developers face. This will not only deepen your understanding of MR, but also expose you to cool ideas that you can use for your own projects. So don't be afraid to explore. The more you learn, the more you can lead the way in the exciting world of mixed reality. That's it for today. If you have any doubts or feedback, feel free to write them in the comments below. For more videos on product management, you can click on one of our next videos here. Till then, that's Gaurav signing off.